Hello there, Purple Man. Good morning. Just trying to figure out my camera settings. I'm not usually this red. I'm doing something wrong. Wait a minute. Is this good? Ahoy, Captain. Hello there, Maple. Good morning, sir. Looks good to me. Now the real test is this. Wait. The real test is on a black background. Do I look washed out, guys? I couldn't test yesterday because I didn't have the lighting conditions that I have usually at this point. I won't be able to stay long, unfortunately. Isn't today a holiday? Today? Isn't today a holiday? I love how I can like give me light because of the window next to me. Real cool. I won't be still not in South Africa. Oh, you're from South Africa, bro? That's a long distance. Crazy. I feel like I'm a bit too red. Or maybe I'm just glowing with life. Right? Maybe. Look at those clear eyes. Ah! Sorry. Hello, Cakez. Hello, Shade11. Fuck you. Fuck you too, bro. Hello there. FXS. I feel like I'm a bit still too red. Am I seeing things? You look like raw, look like the uncooked. You looks like, wait. Salutations, hello, hello Cakez. Those are some queer eyes indeed. Shut the fuck up. Just consume some humanity, bro. So your anger issues have nothing to do with the redness of your skin? Where's my phone? Fuck, my phone's gone. Shit. Where's my phone? Well, it is not here. I think it's in the other room. Whatever. It's not here. Consume Amber Ashen 1. Hey, don't make fun of me. I'm trying, okay? Wait. This is turning me red. This is turning me white. This is turning me blue, by the way. See that? Bloop. But I wanna this. I want this. It's gotta be the saturation then. No. Hey man, just arrived. The stream is about coding. Yeah. Totally. 100%. I always code. I've coded my own camera, that's why. You know? That's why we are taking a look at this right now. Trying to make my own camera look good. You know, it's this special RTX global illumination camera that I made, you know, in C++ by myself without looking at any documentation. Collector of stuff redeemed a random clip that did not play. Oh, it does play, but it's not showing to you guys. Wonder why. Sorry about that. I'll play a clip for you in a second. I set up something yesterday. It did work. Now it doesn't work anymore. Maybe it's because the browser source has to be refreshed. Let me test. There we go. It does work. It's completely on my face. Yeah, I'll play a random video for you. Sorry about that. This is Abev's bot. It's his fault, okay? Blame him, not me. He made this. Where's that? Random clip. I have new clips, guys. This is not a new clip. Why does it not play? Why does the random clip not play? That's odd. Yeah, guys, it's nice that you're wasting your points now. Awesome. Good morning. Hello there, Seashore. How's it going? Vanish? Vanish doesn't work anymore, bro. I got scammed as well, Sergi. Check the error log, Cakez. Yeah, let me give me a second, guys. I'm gonna restart this. Yeah, there's the connection error. Hello! I have more than 100,000 points. Let me do that. Well, I wasn't thinking that the bots would break now. I was walking on the camera. Do I look washed out to you now? What do you think? 0 to 10. Washed outness. Huh? Give me some input here, brothers. Tell me. The washed outness. I can recommend you some concealer or foundation. I don't need any of those, okay? Just need an honest answer. 0 to washed out. 0 to 10 washed outness. If 10 is totally washed out, then 0 is not washed out at all. You have some Super Saiyan aura going on with your hair. Yes. I am a Super Saiyan! Ha! What was I doing? Oh yeah, the bot. True. True. Forgot that. Let me fix that really quickly. My brothers. The console window should start together with the application. Yes, sir. True. There we go. Let's start the bot now. And we can see what the issue is. Let's redeem a random clip. It should play in the same location. Maybe. Maybe. Excuse me. Channel redemption, video to play, mark is fulfilled. It's kind of annoying that this doesn't play, man. Abev. Because I wasn't expecting difficulties right now. Hello you guys on YouTube. How are you doing? I have just eaten lunch. Can you make yourself please not full screen? Shut the fuck up, Nails, man. I was browsing through YouTube, trying to relax, then this clown suddenly popped up on my front page. Fuck off, it's not Thursday. 007. Hello there, Arm Cheese, and fuck you. And Arcon is the wolf. How do you feel about the Vampire Survivors as a collab with Contra? Vampire Survivors as a collab with Contra, the rapper? Well, who is Contra? I know Contra in German is a rapper, but I'm pretty sure you mean something else. I don't know. Like, I have no idea. Is this like an controversial like thing to happen? Give me a second, guys. I'm all over the place. Twitch bot. Get that here, and then the config any example. Let's put that into your mommy. There we go. Maybe Abev has some stuff that I don't. No, video, random video, position and size. Channel redemption, random video, position and size. There we go. I don't think I had that before. where's the random video? Channel redemption. Text to speech, sound to play. Channel redemption, random video position and size. I already had that, but I wasn't... Oh, maybe it did, since it doesn't have a position and a size, it is not showing up. It could be that. So how about we do 400, 100 and 200, 100 for now. 400, 100. 200, 100. Obviously that's not going to be the size, but let me test. Let me do a random video now, my brothers. And let's see if that works. Oh yeah, connection error. He has to fix that, man. This connection error, I can't like always go into the browser source and refresh that. That's just too much work. Just to set up a fucking stream. Random clip. Let's see. Does not... Oh, it does.
No! What?
It does work. Okay, so the position and size was missing. That's fine. So, how big do I think I want this? How big do I want this?
Because more than one means
400 to 200. Let's try those. Yeah, I'm testing a little bit. I didn't think it would affect those. Points refunded. You can't refund point. It's completing the requests. So yeah, you wasted your points, guys. It's a bit bigger. But it also doesn't show up right now. Why does this not show up? Maybe it's below? What the fuck? Listen, brother. You're really triggering the fuck out of me right now. With this. Maybe 400 is too far down. Maybe 400 was too far down and it's my own fault. You broke it, Cakez? No. There's still a skip notification. Yeah. Let me double check. So it is 600 big. So if I put it on 100, no, if I put it on 300, should still be in the video, right? Let's try that. Yeah, sorry about this, guys. This is why I didn't want to set up this stuff on stream the last time. It takes a long time. Now it doesn't show up. Huh. Interesting. It does not show up. If I put it on, like his 300 position is some weird place. It's definitely not 300 within this box that I have, because the box is 600 tall. If it was 300 in the box, then it would be in the middle of the box, but it seems like it is outside. Another one. It's a very well-known series. I see. Guys, can you stop doing that? Oh, that was me. These things don't show up. The MP4 files from yesterday, they don't show up. It's all of my new clips that I downloaded yesterday and prepared. They don't show up at all. Can I not do MP4? Can I only do MOVs? And clown doesn't work either. But if the bot doesn't work, bro. Like, the bot does not work. I'm gonna mute the browser source. And then we just do it normally, like always. Sorry about this, guys. I really am. It doesn't work. I'm gonna go back to this for now. It doesn't work. Like, listen. I'm gonna send him the beginning of the VOD and then he will see. Excuse me. Good thing your nose is looking naturally red now. Quite clownish. Fuck off. I think I'm looking good like this. It's fine. Wrong fucking button. I feel like I'm still... Notifications. Now these are too small, of course. 800. 400. And then put it in, I don't know, 600 and 200. Test that really quickly. Hello, good morning, lol boy. Thank you very much for following, my bro. I don't know how you can follow this stream, but thank you. It's kind of boring what I do right now. It looks so washed out, man. Fuck, I tried to fix it yesterday, but I still look washed out. I don't know what it is, man. I just don't know what it is. It is definitely called Weißabgleich in English, where it's trying to take a color and correct it to a normal human color. That's what it's trying to do. Sleep, I slept enough. I slept like 7 hours, 8 hours. No, it is not that. I don't look this bad naturally. Listen, I look really good, actually. Like, no cap. It's not that. Yeah, we skip that. That's too long. Maybe being an asshole is bad for the skin? Fucking hell. Okay, fine. We fix that now. I still look washed out. I hate it. On complete black, I look really bad. I don't know why. Maybe it is saturation. A little bit. Difficult to do this. Yeah, whatever. I'm gonna have to test this out later. This is good enough. I like this. Maybe down with the saturation a little bit. I'm too red. Fine, like this. It's okay. We do like this. Did I apply? Yes, I did. Okay. That's okay. We're gonna do it like this. I don't look as washed out now. Sorry about this, guys. Yeah. Really, I'm sorry. Hopefully now I don't look as red. Bro, who cares? You're in the background tab 24/7 anyway. Shut the fuck up, Baker Power. You just came back to say something mean. Fuck off, bitch. Go eat a fucking dick. You little fucking bitch. This music is chill as fuck. Hell yeah, brother. It is. It is, my brother. Screen. There we go, guys. Let's go back to coding. I did code something yesterday off stream, I think. Did I? Maybe I didn't. Maybe I'm just fooling you. But I think I did. Mr. Mida, guten Morgen, guten Morgen. Yes, today... let me double check Discord really quickly and close all of those things. God, the config really pisses me off. Give me a second, I'm closing that. I hate the config, the console window. Changing that really quickly. It's just another window on my screen, bro. I don't know how other streamers do this. Maybe they just alt up, but they only show like their primary screen. I don't know how they do this. Terrible streamer, guys. Been doing this for 2.5 years now. Bloop. Don't know how they do this. How they switch between stuff. There we go. And then we... Yeah, of course, that made the window small. Sitting in front of a black screen doing clown thinks you got more followers than the entire Dark Souls gameplay yesterday kind of makes you think, Nails. No, that's not true. I think I got like 3 or 4 followers doing Dark Souls. You're wrong. And Tabasco even followed me, okay? We have Tabasco sauce in our arsenal now. Your Guten Morgen sounds cool. Yes, Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen, Guten Morgen, Guten Morgen, Sonnenschein. Okay, so now that we can place units properly now and their attack range circle is based on their feet, right? Oops, sorry, wrong button. I'm too anxious, bro. I feel like I look washed out. I just can't. I don't know, man. I hate this. It is how it is. We'll have to fix this over time. Hello, Nia. Good morning. Yes, sir. Contra has several ports, remakes, and a new upcoming game. It's a very well-known series. Contra is a NES platformer, very difficult. It was so difficult that Nintendo gave a cheat code for 30 lives. Really? Wait a minute. That's awesome. Hello. So this is how your stream usually goes. Huh? You sit fixing things and figuring things out. And your longtime viewers, VIPs and mods throw insults at you. No, this is not how it works, man. Usually I code like a firehead, you know? Yesterday, let me show you, okay? Yesterday, we made this dude attack from his feet, okay? We made a feet collider, all right? And this guy got an attack that is also based around his feet. So when their feet touch, yeah, they attack each other. That's what we did yesterday. And we also figured out that when we want to do range checks to check if someone is in range, right? Then we have to take a look at their feet because I'm trying to visualize a top-down 3D perspective, right? So where do you start calculating range? Well, of course, you calculate the range from where you stand, right? Not from your upper torso, right? So that's what we did yesterday. And it took quite some time to figure out how to do it. And my leg is itchy as fuck. I came here to... What is that emote again? I came here to that happening, Lee Mao. Yeah, I see what you mean. Oh, man. I played soccer yesterday. I got like 5 more mosquito bites on my legs. Awesome. I just love this, right? I love it. Oh God. Today's gonna be a shitty day. I can already tell. It is. My entire leg itches. It itches! Oh. I'm glad my room/house doesn't have mosquitoes so far. Yeah, mine doesn't have either. It's just a fucking soccer field. You play on grass, right? Oh, there's so many fucking living things on the grass. Garlic, lemon, and mint deters them. They don't like strong smells. So that means I don't smell, right? Because if they would like strong smells, then they would flock to me. They don't like strong smells, so they still flock to me. That means I don't have a strong smell. When I was little, I always wanted a mosquito to bite my penis. What the fuck? Why? Not many people's legs smell. True, that's true. Yeah, I guess. Chat, can somebody summarize Cake's progress for the last 7 days? Not having a lot of time with my new job. I already know with the... It will be a short summary. Wrong. Absolutely wrong. Look at the skill tree. Beautiful. Beautiful. And we fixed the bug. We couldn't deallocate this node. We can now. Just like Diablo 4. You're wrong. Okay. And we added in stats to the skill tree. Okay. And we drew this. And turned that into a node. Okay. And we balanced the first 3 waves. And I think I made this too. Maybe I didn't. Maybe I did it last week. That does not look different from the last time I was here. Is the layout automatic or something? It is different, okay, internally. It is different. Okay, that's all you have to know. And the window that appears is better now. And the sidebar is also better now. Okay? And the buttons are different. Look how many changes I made. And the Diablo bar at the bottom doesn't have upgrade buttons anymore. And there are feed colliders now. Exactly. Thanks for showing it. When only the internals changed, very helpful. He's gonna kill me. Boom. Okay, so now we need to balance these guys. 220 deeps, too much, right? Of course. So we can now do finally do some coding, right? Let us do some coding. Skeleton armored. Hello! Starting pose! It's going good. It's going actually really, really good. The only downside, the dog shit thing is, I got like one of those arms, right, for my monitors. I connected that 2 days ago. And it fucked up my entire audio setup on my computer because I turned it off and unplugged everything. And my camera settings were broken too. So I've been fixing that yesterday. I just don't know why that happens. It's so annoying. Like you literally have to do everything again. So next time I have to do a screenshot. Not really fixing it. You look so washed out. I don't know what to do. I look washed out. Yeah, but what am I supposed to do, brother? I tried changing it, bro. Fuck, stop making me anxious. Fuck you. I don't know how to not look washed out. I think I look good enough. I think it looks good enough. Compared to yesterday. Right? Imagine a setup so fragile it breaks when you turn it off. Well, it's not when I turn off the computer, but when I unplug the cables. So I don't know why, but it resets to factory default or something. I'm sure your mother would say you look great, Cakes. Shut up. Fuck you. Fuck, man. Stop making me anxious about this. I hate that. Don't do that to me, bro. I think I look good enough. You're wrong. I think you're wrong. I think you're actually wrong. You're totally wrong. You're an idiot. You're actually an idiot. You're a Dumbo. I think I look good. There we go. And this is a little bit of gamma correction as well. Scammed? No, you weren't scammed. You got exactly what I wanted. There we go. I think I look good enough. Cakes, you are in luck. Nobody's here for you for how you look. Yeah, but I spent like a million days fixing a camera once, and now I have to do it again. I don't like downgrades. It's fine if it's the same way like it's always was. That's okay. If it was shitty before, I want it to be shitty like before or like it was, right? That's fine. That's okay. What I don't like is a downgrade, right? I hate that. Pisses me off. And the community, yeah, we have really cool community. That's true. Quite toxic. Not sure why, but a really cool community. 100%. Right, they have life, a lot of armor, essentially, and their physical damage is... It doesn't matter now. Here's the big question. Do I give them physical damage, right? Let's say 50. Or... excuse me. Or do I give the ability, Scratch, more physical damage, right? I can do it both ways. Oh, excuse me. And we have to think about the base. Because I guess I'll give 10 per level. I could make the base smaller, like 30. Then we have 50 plus 30, 40, that's 90 damage. That's still too much. So I guess I'll start with 10. Because the idea of Scratch is that it does bleed damage. Or the ability itself does a lot of damage and the skeleton does not. Right? The skeleton doesn't have much deeps. He has like 10. Because it's an additional physical damage. It doesn't matter where it comes from, right? Then Vincent, long time no see, bro. Hope you're doing good. Nice cake you have there as an emote or whatever that is. Really cool. True, we could replace Cakes with a stream from the zoo and it would be 95% the same with the good people from chat. Shut up, my grandma does a little progress on a single afternoon while she preparing lunch for us. Does this little progress? Okay, bro, you're so wrong. It's insane. You know, you just wait until my game releases and then you will shut up. Just wait. And don't make a joke how you will be shut upping because you will be dead when the game releases because it takes so long, okay? I already see that coming. Fuck you. That doesn't count. Okay, let's see. How much damage do they do now? Now, obviously, the idea for these types of enemies is the following. You place your units in a way where... Or you like we will have a healer as well, right? The healer will be able to heal this guy and their cooldown will be high enough so that they don't attack all the time, right? Let's see, 30 damage I think is fine. For now. And then we'll have to see. He knows me, yeah. Cakes, hurry with your game. My grandmother does not have much time left. She needs to release before, so you need to release before 2030. So, if we are talking real right now, right? I think I will be able to release the game. At least a demo version that we can play and have fun with by the end of the year. I already have a lot of assets. I have a lot of functionality. I can do different levels. I have most of the systems in place now. And I'm actually finally happy with those systems. I've tested many different abilities. They seem to work very well. So I think, actually, yeah. I can determine which type of collision I want based on what type of ability I use. Right? Arrows use... Yeah. I think by the end of the year there should be something that is playable. And whether I do early access or not depends. Maybe I'll just do a demo version. We'll have to see. I'm writing a will so my future kids can buy this game. Ah, shut the fuck up. That's your first message for the day. Leave now. Clock SRC slash. What does C-lock mean? Clock. If you remove the L, it's cock. I cannot wait to break this piece of spaghetti coding. Yeah, I mean, the last time I added the demo out, or I fuck off. The last time I released a demo version, I found a lot of bugs in my game. That was really helpful. Okay, let us think really quickly. Let us think. How do we do this? I want to test the progress of my game now. again. So we get rid of this round, the debug round. This was just for the ability scratch and the skeleton units. Last time, I wonder if I have to restart, probably restart, right? Yeah. So, and we will do save points now. So essentially, first we spend skill points. We have 4 skill points to spend. I don't think Burning Wounds works yet. So I'll get rid of this. Oh, it looks like it's connected, but it's not. Area of effect cooldown. So we get 2 abilities, right? And then we'll place this guy here. Clock is count of lines of code. Small program. I see. The lines of code in my game is about 60 to 70,000. And I think that includes 1 header library, but most of it is just my code. Alright, okay, we need a new unit. I'm gonna place another ranger. Simply because I haven't balanced this guy yet. 25 damage. AKA, how many hits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 hits to kill one of those guys. Alright, that is 6 hits. How many hits for a normal skeleton? We'll have to chin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. He has 7 hits on him. Eight, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 hits. So 6 and 12. Wow. I didn't even plan that out. Really cool, actually. Okay, so they are losing right now. I might need another ranger. But can I wait as well? That's the question. I still hate the babies. Yeah, you can hate them, but I like them. 30 is my first... No, 40 is my first upgrade. That's going to be... Maybe it's possible, actually. Yeah, 31. I think it's possible. Ay, that's... Yeah, possible. Actually possible. Okay, so there's 2 ways to play this. You wait for upgrades, or you place a 3rd unit. The babies are an essential feature of the code, or they won't, or the code won't compile. True. Okay, so now I have the explosive arrow on my unit. And this one is, I think, too overpowered. It does a lot of AoE damage. Watch. Boom. I think it does too much deeps. Maybe it's OP. Obviously, there's no sound effects yet, right? But look, one guy can almost kill all of the waves. Ah, it's getting close. But I could have 2, yeah, like 1 guy is enough. Alright, how about we fix this first? Fuck, I didn't save, of course. We have to play again. Yeah, this is where we start playing our game until we find something that is OP. Or we find something that doesn't work, right? Also, why didn't this save? Should save the skill tree at this point. Oh, the game crashed. But no, it should save the skill tree. Wait, I need to add in a save skill tree thing. I guess I don't have that. This map is very easy with the multiple loops. How do you balance for multiple maps? That's what the skill tree is for. The earlier maps will be easier because of the map design. The later maps will be more difficult with shorter paths and more upgraded units are required. But these maps only unlock later, so there's that, right? That's the idea. Is there a way to make it more obvious to the player that the enemies will follow a certain path when you have crossroads? The first thing I noticed when looking at the screen. I think it's already obvious enough, to be honest. I know it can be confusing, but after you play the map once, you know where they go. And I don't think... I see what you mean, and I noticed that in Bloons too. But I think it's fine. I think I don't have to worry about that. If I get a lot of negative feedback on that, I will have to change it, of course. But I don't think it is an issue at the moment. I don't perceive it as an issue, actually. So no challenge mode, like winning without updates? Oh, well, yeah, we can do that, sure, of course. We can do this, for sure. Thank you to the DevDad for the raid. Welcome, guys. Game's so sick, dude. Thank you. Thank you very much. I was just about to do something, I forgot. What did I want to do? Fuck, I forgot. Yeah. I remember. Save the skill tree, yeah. It will come out in 2072. No, I plan on releasing this game. So for anyone that is new here and doesn't know what I'm doing, I'm Cakez and I'm making a tower defense game in C++. Inspired heavily by Bloons, Vampire Survivors, Gothic 1 and 2 in terms of weapons, and Path of Exile actually. As you can see, maybe for those of you who have played Path of Exile because of the skill tree. And I'm trying to work on it every single day. Do a little bit of coding or a little bit of progress every day to get it done in a meaningful amount of time. This is my first game. This is also my first time learning C++. So it does take quite some time to get something locked in, right? Because there's so many things you learn when you do these types of things. So yeah, that is the game, and we are currently working on the skill tree saving when I place a node. So like a save thing, right? It's gonna be here somewhere. Thank you guys for following. Welcome. It's here somewhere. When I click a button. Shut the fuck up, Genussnificus. Don't you think I see that? Huh? Fuck you! To the rest of the followers, Sneaky and Shanky, and fuck you, Mr. Almeida, and Blackbird, and Scoopilute. Difficult name, bro. Thank you, guys. And to Mr. Almeida and Genussnificus, fuck you, guys. You just destroyed your stats. You could have had, and Pharma, fuck you too. What are you using to learn? I am using, basically, how do you say that? Nothing, actually. Like, what did I use to learn is just simple YouTube tutorials, right? This is too loud. I used simple YouTube tutorials in the beginning. There we go. And over time, from YouTube tutorials, I just started exploring, if that makes sense. So I wanted to make a game, I knew that. The idea was, okay, well, let's make a Pong clone, or let's make Pong in C++. Well, how can I do that? Okay, Pong needs 2 bars on the side. Okay, how do I draw 2 rectangles? Right? And that's how it began. Now I had a task. I needed to learn how to draw 2 rectangles. And so my curiosity of making a game ultimately decided what I would learn. Hello there, Rosilli. So now that I knew how to draw 2 rectangles, well, how do I make them move? Okay, well, I need to press W to move up and maybe S to move down. How do I gather input from the operating system? Now I needed to learn that, right? So essentially, as I made a game, I had use cases that showed me, or that gave me the task to learn something. And that's essentially how I learned. And I think that's the best way to learn. You learn by doing. And I never paid attention to making it the perfect way, or to put it in a class, or to put it in a structure or whatever. I just tried to find the easiest way possible to do certain things. It is in my opinion, the best way or the best person to take a look at or to listen to is Jonathan Blow and Casey Muratori, Handmade Hero, those two. They have made multiple programs and they teach you the way of just doing shit and not worrying about the result, essentially. That's how I learned. It's a difficult name, it's French, but don't bully me on this. I don't choose to be born French. Oh, you mean because... Okay, I'm not gonna bully you. Oh, I was gonna make a joke. Fuck, bro. Fine. Why don't you use Colon or Visual Studio Code? Visual Studio, because I like Visual Studio Code more. It has its own flaws, especially with, you know, Zig and other programming languages. But yeah, my favorite way to learn, project needs it. Yeah, exactly. So that's also how I'm making this game. I play the game, I do certain things in the game, I notice something is off, and then I fix it. And then that furthers the game. Right now we are trying to work on gameplay, aka the player plays the game and 5 minutes later he's still having fun in the game. So 5 minutes of fun. But in order to be able to have fun, the skill tree needs to save. And so how do we save the skill tree? It is here somewhere. Goodness. Yeah. Draw the node, skill tree nodes. This is it, I think. One node. Wait. Ability. Yeah. Do button. There we go. Select node. If it's normal, then can it be allocated? Node allocated true. And we always want to save the game when we do that. Cool. Now we save the game whenever we change the skill tree. And we should also do that, I think, whenever we deallocate nodes. So where is that? It has to be here. Right mouse, there we go. Cannot be deallocated. There we go. Now we save the game here as well. Any libraries? Yes. A couple for stuff that I didn't want to learn. Obviously, you could learn all of this stuff yourself and write everything yourself. I wrote most of my stuff myself. However, in terms of free type, loading in fonts, hell nah, bro. I tried to learn how to decode a free GTF file. Listen, it works, but you have to do like Huffman decoding and some bullshit. So yeah, free type it is. And the same for PNG files. I use, what is that? STB image for that. And then obviously OpenGL to do graphics. But SDL2, I don't use that. That's just for fun in there. And the rest is OpenGL. Yeah, so OpenGL, FreeType, and STB image to load PNG files, to do graphics, and to load TrueType font files. But you could also just use Raylib, right? And then you don't have any libraries because Raylib loads in PNG files for you, Raylib does sound for you, Raylib does graphics for you, and Raylib loads in font as well, right? You could also use Raylib. In the future, well, I will actually try to make a small game for fun that uses Raylib. Look at that SDL2 photo, just for having lots of fun in there. Are you excited for your child? Once she's there, she can take over your code and double your productivity. Fuck off. And yes, I am excited, bro. I am excited to have my child here, like a third person, you know? Let's say my wife and I are arguing about something and she's like, wah! And then we like laugh, you know? That's usually what happens, which is funny. No, it's not. No, this is how it is with like the kid of my wife's sister. She recently had a baby. It's 9 months old now. Your wife will have to deal with 2 people screaming at home then? Shut up, lol boy, man. Why are you so toxic, bro? I've never been toxic to you. I've always been nice. What is wrong with you, man? Stop. Okay, now back to this. Let's see. I close this. Restart the game. Close the game. Play the game. It should be saved. Tell me it's saved. Come on, please tell me it's saved, bro. So yeah, oh, by the way, for those of you who are new, right? This doesn't look too good yet. I'm working on this still. But the idea is later that we can travel around in this map and all of the different levels are displayed in the map. You see this here? Those will unlock as you beat these challenges in here, right? So that is the idea. And then we extend this map, obviously with more content. Right now I have 1 level. I need to have 1 level locked down and play it till the end. Should be like 5, 6, no, like, let's say, how many minutes of fun do we need in that? Like 10 to 20 minutes in 1 level. Because I want it to be similar to Bloons, right? Why is the map in front of the header? The map is in front of the header because I'm doing something wrong. But we're not fixing UI today, bro. We'll fix that later, okay? I mean, the options menu here also looks like ass, right? I have some cool ideas for options in here, but we'll do that later. We're working on gameplay now. You guys keep giving me... Yeah, so it's saved. Awesome. Nice. That's what I wanted. And so every single change you do will save the game. And then every single undo you do will also save the game. Because undos will cost money. Of course. Didn't I play? Okay. Now, I have a save point now. Let's begin by testing the game again. To lock the cache, totally depends on how hands on his wife is. If she's like the average, within a month we will see landslide degradation. What? Depends on how hands-on his wife is. If she's like the average, within a month we will see degradation. How many months, years have you been working on this? 2.5 years. 2.5 years, brother. And I made it a goal for myself. So I just lost because I didn't place another hero. Or I didn't lose, but I like let 2 go. So it looks like the ranger alone in the first round is not able to kill all of the units. Is that supposed to happen? Maybe I need to balance it in a way where the first round is beatable by any unit that you place. Why do I say that? Not because it is like that in Bloons. Yes, because it is like that in Bloons. But why does Bloons do it this way? Why is that? You look cute today, Cakez. Is that a new hoodie? No, that's an old hoodie. But thank you. Cakez, do you think the players may get overwhelmed by the huge skill trees? Maybe. Maybe I mean, maybe I need to make them a bit smaller. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe this is too many. We'll have to see. Obviously, the healer wouldn't be able to defeat all of those waves on his own. Why is the map in front of the header? I already read that. Versatility. What webcam do you use? A shitty one, bro. Don't buy this. Razer Kyo. I think. Razer Kyo. Fuck, I can't type. Let me... What is it called? Razer Kyo Pro. That's what I use. I don't like it, bro. I've had so many issues with this camera. Like trying to make it look decent. It doesn't cost that much, right? But listen, man, just buy a Legato or something. Some 1080p cheap bullshit. You're gonna get 99% of the way there. You don't need anything in particular, brother. Listen, It's more interesting, more important what you do on your stream than how you look. But I'm a fucking idiot. Okay, so 2 get past. I can see you change the speed of the game. Do you use a fixed time loop for updates or just change the update step frequency? I just increased the delta time. If delta time was 1 multiplied by 1 before, I multiply it by 3. That's how I do it. Now, I might have to do a fixed time step and think about how I want to do that. Probably just increase delta time there as well. But we'll have to see. Fixed time steps bring their own problems in terms of rendering. It's a bit annoying. Because then you have to separate updating and rendering you have to separate updating and rendering, which is a bit annoying. Do you test the other heroes or is it only the archer we balance this for? Right now, the archer is the only thing we balance. For now. Obviously, I have some abilities on this guy too. How many abilities do you have? Let's see here. We have Shield Bash, Wind Slash, what is this? Oh, this is the Shield Orbs. Give me a second. It was this one right here, right? That one? Is it this? Yeah, Shield Orbs. Shields orbit around the unit, dealing physical damage to every unit they pass through. It's like, you know, whatever. It's like rotating shield wall or something. Yeah, that one as well. What do we have here? Let's see. Do I have more abilities for this? Oh yeah, we have Taunt. Taunt taunts enemies, of course, making them attack only this guy. It is like Bible in Vampire Survivors, yes. Are the old skills still working? Never see you using them anymore. Not all of them work, no, because I changed the way abilities work. But re-implementing them is not that difficult. Yeah, Poison Cloud is not on this guy, actually. What was this? Scratch. Oh, Scratch was the ability for the enemies. He doesn't have Scratch, but he has Wolf Fang Fist. Which is like Scratch, essentially. It does physical and bleeding. Bleed chance, bleeding. So he has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 abilities at the moment. Actually, almost exactly the same as this guy. 1, 2, 3, 4. This guy only has 4 abilities. Huh. Because he's supposed to be the elemental guy, right? I wanna try to make those symmetrical. Maybe that looks cool. Like this. And then get rid of that. There we go. I think that looks symmetrical. And then, yeah, I will put like roots in the back here later. I'll draw those off stream. Just so that this looks a little bit more like a wood menu, right? Like roots going out. Code Doses, thank you so much for following, bro. Yes, and so right now we need to work on one unit, balance that unit in a way that it works. These two don't work yet. We'll have to add those in. Maybe we code in Burning Wounds today. How about we code in Burning Wounds now? This thing right here, maybe it should we should reach that later, but essentially this thing makes it so that I can stack burns on an enemy. Maybe not this, but this. Deadly Ignition, burns deal a lot more damage. Enemies affected by your burns run much faster. Now this is a burning build, right? We can go for burning, but burning only happens with abilities. This guy will never have fire damage on his own, I think. We'll have to see. Do you think the Bloons people designed their map based on their units? Wouldn't it make sense to make your own map that fits yours before you balance the game? No, what do you mean? This is a typical tower defense map. It is decently easy, like one of the very first maps. And I can balance my game around a length of a path. This path doesn't really matter how it looks, but it has a length associated to it, which I can use to determine a base difficulty for my game. Now I can design a different type of map where the path is a little different, however the length is the same. And then use that length to balance that as well. But it doesn't matter. We have a map that is decently easy with a certain length associated to it. If it works on this map, any map where the path is shorter will be more difficult. And any map where you have obstacles, which I haven't implemented yet, on the map that block projectiles from being fired or vision from being, vision from enemies, will be more difficult. So if I have a base, if I can use this map to determine the base difficulty, the difficulty is not too much, but also not too easy, then we can design more maps. It doesn't make sense to design maps now for a difficulty that I don't have in the game yet. I need to determine a difficulty first before I make more maps. Because changing the maps later, because I changed the difficulty, is too much work. Because I will go and change 20, 30 maps just because I made a slight change. My man, I appreciate it. Thank you for gifting a sub to Anonymouse. Anonymouse. Thank you so much, bro. I think they balanced a few maps based on a certain units, but not all of them. Maybe I balance a map based around a certain unit, but for the first map, I need to balance that map around all of the units. So that's what we're doing now. I'm doing it the right way, is what I'm saying. I've been doing this for a long time now, guys. I've done many balances before in the game, okay? And there's a reason why I'm doing it this way now. Is it the perfect way to do it? Maybe not, but it's definitely the best way that I came up with now. Doing what exactly for the long time? Making a game. Making a game. Sticking to one game and not making new games. Sticking to one game. Continuing one game. Furthering one game. Okay? The progress slows down towards the end, of course. You guys need to make a big game, then you will understand. Okay, now let's see here. Deadly Ignition. Okay, there's the name description. Keystone. Does a keystone have stats? Right now a keystone does not have stats. And these should be IDs. These should not be pointers. They should just be IDs. I mean, I'm currently rewriting our entire game because we clearly overscoped. Cakes. Yeah, I mean, that happens. You do mistakes. Sure, I'm collaborating with someone over the summer, so we will see. Yeah, sure. Yeah, do it. If you get it done faster, then more power to you. Then I'm happy for you. That's great. Looking better is already a given. So fucking toxic. It's insane, bro. We'll keep this for now. Hello, Tapir. What is this song? This song sucks, bro. I'm changing it. Bloons doesn't take into account unit damage. Yeah, exactly. So we have to balance this map for that, right? Oh, it's Doom. I see. Okay, it's fine. Let's search for more Deadly Ignition. It's gotta be here somewhere. Buff type burning. Owner values Deadly Ignition. I see now. Wow, my man. Holy moly. I appreciate the support, brother. Thank you so much. Bro, they warped. Thank you so much for gifting 5 subs to the community. And thankfully, none of the toxic people got a sub. That's nice. I guess most of them already have a sub. But thank you, sir, bro. Sorry. Very kind of you. Okay, so Deadly Ignition is a stat. I called it a stat. So that means... Oh, excuse me. If I have the keystone active on the skill tree, the owner of the buff should have a value of Deadly Ignition. And it looks like the movement speed... Is there no toxic? There is no toxic people here. Everyone is always so nice. Sure, bro. Why is toxic? Who is toxic? So rude. I'm not gonna call out people because that is toxic in and of itself. I'm just gonna let the chat speak for itself. So the idea of what I had before was that I had a certain type of movement speed. This is a value per pixel. So essentially, let's say movement speed is 20. Well, I now move 20 pixels per second, right? A pixel is one of the quads in the game. You see that? The leaf has 2 bright yellow pixels right here to the left. That is a unit in the game. A pixel in the game is a unit. So if I have 20 movement speed, that is 20 pixels. So then... My bad. Thank you for gifting a sub to Tapir. I appreciate it, Mr. Amida, man. Thank you. You are too kind, bro. You've gifted too many subs. It's crazy. Thank you so much, bro. And then I add the Deadly Ignition on top. But what do I say in the... The enemies run much faster. I see. So this is here. We can implement this in 2 ways, right? We can implement movement speed and increase it by 100%. So we take their base movement speed, the 20 pixels, right? Bro. I appreciate it, bro. Thank you so much. Mr. Amida, my man. Thank you for gifting a sub to... this guy's toxic, man. Fuck. He's too toxic. Mr. Amida making sure Cakez child will have a home.
What the fuck are you talking about? I literally got myself 2 fucking jobs. So my child will have a home, you little fucking bitch!
Fuck you. I actually dreamt of having a 3rd job today. That was so weird. I once lived in a place called Nienberge. And oh wow, this thing is a bit too high. Sorry, I was too loud today. And I was living in my own like apartment in a house rented by the owner of the house, right? So he had like his own part of the house. I had my own entrance, you know, I didn't have to go through his house. And sometimes he would ask me to help work with him in his garden or let's say on the roof, right? He needed to lift up some heavy stuff to the roof or whatever, right? Into his bedroom. And so I helped him there. And so he would give me like $50 for that, right? Which is a lot of money. Really, that was a lot of money for just helping for like half an hour. Here, $50 or taking care of the dogs, right? And then he would give me $50 for that. And I actually dreamt that I worked for him because I needed more money. And I was in some weird house where I had to like do some bugs, like get rid of some bugs. But I said I did it, but I didn't actually do it. And then he wrote me a letter of, oh, I saw you do it, but you actually didn't do it. And it's like so weird, man. God, I guess I'm worrying too much. Goodness. Cakez, when is it so far? When is it? In 8 weeks, 8 to 9 weeks. Sounds like a description of a dreamer, right? Yeah. Quit mushrooms while you're at it. Listen. When you dream, so what I noticed is, when you dream, when you sleep, you're resting. So dreams for me only happen when I get enough sleep. Have you guys noticed that too? Are we getting the game? You are getting a game soon, yes. We're working on that. So Deadly Ignition, I guess. Values, wait. Estat values plus. I see. So deadly ignition could be an increase value. I see now. Let me think. I have an idea. Texts. Enemy movement speed. How about just movement? Enemy movement. Oh shit. Enemy movement speed plus %. I already did like this. Okay. Good. Now then we have deadly ignition. Which means on a keystone. There we go. Need to have start bundle. Stats. And then in deadly ignition. Deadly ignition. Keystone dot stats dot target stats. Well, let me see how that works really quickly. It's an array dot add stat. So what type of stat do we add here? Oh, let me think. Cakes, do you snore? Yeah, sometimes I do. I know that because my wife tells me. So basically he wrote a letter of complaint watching you procrastinate in your dream. Yeah, exactly. That's exactly what happened, bro. Man. Sometimes when you remember a dream, if it is weird enough, it leaves you confused for half a day. Yeah. In fact, the dreaming happens at every end of the sleep, say 6 to 8 hours, and that is very essential for recovery. So like people if sleep 6 hours instead of 8, they're missing on the most important part of sleep. Something sign, something. Read from the internet, so must be true. Yeah, it is true because it was on the internet. Yeah, I agree. True. The code would fit a single line with plus equals. You don't know what I'm talking about. Okay, stat. Wait, target stat. Target stat. Let me code this really quick. Target stat dot stat is stat type stat deadly ignition. No. There we go. And then target stat dot type. No. Yeah. Oh, stat dot increased is 100%, and then the type is this. And then we add the target stat to the keystone and then apply keystones. Apply key. No. Wait, there's a function underscore keystones. No. Update hero. Key. Wait. In update hero, there's gotta be keystone. Huh? Update hero. I guess when I apply the skill tree, let's see. Apply skill tree. Keystones clear. Hero keystones. We add to the keystones the keystone ID. Is that it? It is. Yeah, and I guess we apply the keystones then from the hero after that. So I guess we'll implement this really quickly. Thank you so much for following, sir. Haspe. Appreciate it, bro. This is an entity pointer. And then we do a follow-up over the hero keystones dot count, I guess. Yep. Int keystone ID. My man, Mr. Amida. Thank you. Holy shit, thank you so much for gifting. Look, listen, you're too kind, bro. Keystone index. Keystone index is less than the count. Keystone index plus plus. Then we get the keystone. Keystone is get keystone. Underscore keystone, something underscore applies keystones. Keystone underscore description. Create keystone. Give me a second. Mark 1. Mark as A. Keystone. Get keystone. It's called get keystone. Get keystone. I see. This has to be, I guess, here. Hero keystones on keystone index. Cool. Now that we have the keystone, what we can do is hero stats is hero stats plus keystone dot stats. Awesome. Oops. Now we should apply the deadly ignition. And now we need to burn someone. We need to give him 100% burn. Stop retracting your messages, Inukai. Fuck you. Stop trying to do that. Guys, I need to go to the bathroom. But I think that's already it. Everything. We can do this loop in the skill tree as well, actually. But we'll see. Don't have to have a function, I think. Now that we have the stats, deadly ignition should already work. Let's test. I'm gonna give this node a flat amount of fire damage and a burn chance of 100%. No, 100%. There we go. Now he should attack, and now he should burn enemies, and they should run faster. Oh, no, wait. He doesn't have deadly ignition not implemented. He doesn't have deadly ignition. Wait. No, stop. Is this implement? Yeah, it is. So it's just the other way around. Okay. All right. He should have deadly ignition now. Fuck, I can't see. They're not moving faster. Okay, guys, I need to go to the bathroom really quickly. Be right back. Oh yeah. Yes! Oh, a huge burden just lifted off me. That was good. Mr. Amida, you don't join into the message retract thing. Can I point out the research papers? Or can you just trust me as a boomer that looks into everything she can not feel as shit? She can to not feel as shit. Tiny clip window. Tiny clip window too small? Let me check. Is Abev here? Abev! It's not here, right? Wait, that's big. Give me a second. That's the wrong one. Random clip. Is it too small? Should it be a bit bigger? Fine. Can make it a bit bigger. Let me see here. The clip ever end? This is the position, this is the size. I had it to 800. We could do 1200. Fuck. 800 divided by 2 is 200. 800 divided by 2 is 400. 400 divided by 2 is 200. So 600, right? Maybe this? Is that better? Let's test. Is that better? Oh, it works. Is it cut off? I think it's cut off. Sorry, it was cut off. Hello, Asen. Good morning. Let's try again. One of the new clips? Awesome. Oh, of course we get a boring one now. Yeah, I think that's good enough. This window should be good enough, big enough. Do you feel it? Closing in all around you, the heat? Actually, it's good so far here. It's gotten better. You did enough progress today. I would say it's time for Dark Souls Nails. Or you want me to kill the bosses? Oh, I can't wait to kill the double boss in Dark Souls, man. Oh, that was awesome yesterday. No, we're not done yet. Deadly Ignition does not work. We need to fix that first. So, this should work. Let's see. Also, he should deal burning immediately. Aha! Let's see. Owner. Oops, owner. Stats, dot, values. What's up, Exofido? Good morning. And Grutradam, good morning, my friend. Good morning. Start. Deadly Ignition. That should have something. It doesn't have an increased value. Why? That's why it doesn't work. Because it's not increasing the movement speed by 100%. So that means it is applying the keystones, isn't it? Should go in here, right? We have one keystone. Yes, we do. Keystone stats. Let's see. Why do you not display the keystone? Keystone is not found. Is it not found? Huh? Are you... Okay, maybe I have to restart. Maybe something is wrong here. Let's try restarting. I want to see you getting killed by the bosses rather. This is the line where you could save lots of space with plus equals. I don't have a plus equals operator implemented on the stats. And nor do I want to do that. There we go. Okay, it didn't apply this before. Has a target stat. 1. Deadly ignition. With a 100 increased value. Okay, so not sure. Oh, I'm stupid. I changed. I hate this song. I hate this song! Sorry. Whoever requested that, sorry. It was triggering me. Sorry. It was annoying. It's too much talking and some bullshit. Okay. No organization of desktop icons, sorry. Nah, I'm sorry. Like, I skipped your song, bro. But yeah, it really triggered me. Like, it hit a nerve. Not every song does that, but this one did. It works! LOL! Look at this! Do they get twice as fast? Wait a minute. Let's make this crazy. Let's give it like 200%. Does it add the keystone twice? LOL? Look how fast this guy is. He's missing him. Because the arrow is not fast enough. Do they get 100% on each hit? It looks like. I think this is a bug, but I like it. It's so funny. Look how fast they get. This is what I want, you know. This is what I like from. This is what I want from my game, to have this interaction, you know. Oh, I wonder why they get 100% each hit. Maybe it's because of the plus operator I do here. Where's that? Burning. Maybe it's because of this. I take the movement speed and I add that to it. Wait, on the second hit. I need to test something with 1 unit. We need the debug round for that. And 1 red skeleton. Or an armored skeleton works too. I love this. This is awesome. Okay, let's test this again with a more powerful enemy that can withstand this for a while. I want to see what happens when he has 1 stack on it. Maybe it's bleeds. A plus equals B.
Listen, I wonder if you weren't listening before, but I'm not doing plus equals because I don't want to code it.
He's faster now? Shit. There it was. Already 200%. Yeah, 200% is fine. Yeah. Next. He's hitting again. How much now? Still 200%. Mm-hmm. Base 15. Not sure why he gets faster. I see now. It works. The reason why he gets faster is because the burning stacks twice now. Watch. This is the first stack of burning. Wait, we can actually take a look at this. E, buffs. He should have 3 buffs on him. 3? Why do you have 3 burning buffs? You should have 2. Or, wait, duration, index. How much damage does this one do? 19. The first one does 19. The second one does 19. How do you have 3? This one does 19 too. Why do you have 3? You shouldn't have 3. You should have 2. I hit 2 times. I feel like I'm learning something now. You are? Good. Good. I wonder why he gets 3 buffs. Maybe it's because the burn itself ticks. Lol, look how fast he is. Dude, I need to say that again, bro. Lol. Wait. Turn into a baby. Look how slow he is. Look how slow this guy is. Oh man, this is awesome. I like it. Now the deadly, now they stack, right? So I can stack more burns on them, but they run much faster. Have you ever considered writing tests for things like this? Writing a single function that would test speed after burn is way faster than manually eyeballing it all the time. I don't have tests at the moment, okay, bro? All right. Let's see. I think deadly ignition works. Right. Let me apply buffs. Apply buff. Buff type burn. Oh, it just adds a buff. I could already stack buffs before. I never had a stack. I never had a stack count. Let me think. Then deadly ignition should do something else, essentially. Maybe it increases the burn duration, but it also, maybe it makes them twice as fast. But it also... Wait. Apply buff. If I apply a burn, I have an idea. I know what to do. It's actually very simple. Keystone. Wait. Get keystone. Over here. In deadly ignition, this. Let me think. Actually, it's very simple. It's just stat movement speed. Wait. No. Deadly ignition. Wait, let me think. Let me think really quickly. It's simple. It's so fucking simple. If the enemy is affected by a burn, we need to have deadly ignition there. But our unit... I think I got it now. Our unit will get another target stat with a type. More burn damage. This would be stat. Stat. Burn. I don't have burn damage. I guess I increase fire damage then. No, we have burn duration. That would be bad. They last longer. I need a burn damage stat. Yeah, we need a new burn damage. Yikes. This is gonna be... Wow. Oof. Maybe a balanced headless test that should fail level with weak hero and succeed with a strong one. Yeah, but first we need to implement the different, how do we say that? I first need to implement the different gameplay mechanics or systems in the game for it to make sense, or for it to, in order to balance it, right? This thing needs to be balanced first, right? If I can make a unit run faster but deal more damage to it, I need to add that properly into the game. I wonder if I need burn damage, or if it is not too much. Because burn damage can affect multiple things. Burn damage can affect my burns, right, that happen from fire damage, but it can also affect the burning arrow, I think. But burning arrow, like, maybe I just increase my fire damage. Maybe all fire damage I do, or maybe fire damage always burns. Do they bleed faster if they run? No, they take. We don't need burn stacks anymore, by the way. Burn damage. What should this thing do? So now enemies run faster, right? They run twice as fast. Or maybe like 50% as fast, right? We have to balance this. Now, should the burn should deal more damage, right? It should deal twice as much damage. But I don't have a burn damage stat. I have a stat fire damage, right? Fire damage. But a fire damage stat affects all fire damage, not only the burns. It would also affect this ability right here. You see that? Hello, good morning, Karu on YouTube. My mistake, I shouldn't talk about tests to the guy who mentally countered attacks instead of using math to divide health by damage. Shut the fuck up. I have no idea what he's saying. We have a note here that makes it so that burns deal a lot more damage. Enemies affected by your burns run much faster. So essentially this is a trade-off. It gives you faster running enemies, but you also deal a lot more damage. This is supposed to be a high damage node when you go into fire damage. So the idea is, I need to give it an upside now. The downside is, we have the downside right now, right? The enemies run faster. We already have the downside. This guy just runs faster. The moment he gets attacked, he starts running faster and faster, right? See how fast it is? Oh, he actually bled me with this attack. Now we need to give it an upside, because the bleed doesn't change, or the burn damage doesn't change. It still does 19 damage, right? If the burning flag is true, set the mob to its speed cap. Nice and simple. Or I actually have an idea. I think I know what to do. Uh-oh. Did I delete the buff type? Burning? Yeah, I did. There we go. Tick rate.dps times e, wait, owner stats dot values on, okay, that's running out of space here. Stat deadly ignition dot increased. That should multiply it by 100, which is not what I want. Actually not what I want. I want to increase the damage by 100%. We already have a final damage. We have 100 here. Times 2. I can't just do times 2. I need to make it dependent on this. The increased value is 100%, which means twice as much damage if we don't have any other increased values. So, I guess we'll do this. If we take a base and then an increased value of 100, this turns to 2. Increased of 100% is 1 turns to 2. Which means we can multiply that. Float. Deadly ignition multi is get start. It's terrible. I need to make this better. Wait, ignore base sets it to 1, right? Give me a second. Does it set this to 1? It sets it to 1. Okay. So I guess we do that. Fuck, man. Gets that, then we don't have to do this. Deadly ignition. And then we multiply that by the deadly ignition multiplier. This is bad, but I'm gonna make it better. I just don't know how to do it right now. I'll have to think. So now it should be, yeah, 57 is too much, actually, but we'll see. Let's try that again. It was 19 before. 34? $57? Huh? Is this like more? 3? Ah, because it's 200%. Yeah. That makes sense. So now I can tune based on how much speed I increase the movement speed by. The multiplier is times 2, times 3, times 1.5, however I decide. So if I do 100 here, I will also deal twice as much damage. Does the stupid face on the video thumbnails really bring more clicks? It draws attention. It does. Yes, it draws attention because the face is bright and big. Otherwise I wouldn't be doing it. Also, it's about branding. Yeah, it's about branding. If you just make some generic YouTube thumbnail without, let's say, your face, that can work if you're making the video about something interesting. But let's say you're playing a game. Why would anyone click on someone playing a game where they don't put their face on it? It depends always. You can't just say per se. But if I am streaming and I make a YouTube video, I should put my face on it, because then the internet will start to get to know my face. The more impressions it's sending out, the more people see my face, and at some point it builds familiar. I hate this word, man, every time! It builds this thing, right? So that's why I do it. It's the same thing for Penguin Zero, right? He just needs to make a video, put his face on there, and people, like 1 million people, will watch it. You know what I think? I need a burning... I don't know, man. I like a burning effect on the units. We build family, yeah. Family thing. What did inspire you to make that game? Actually a hentai game. In the very beginning. The hentai game was called Millennium War Aegis. It's actually a really cool game. An interesting tower defense game where the heroes can be attacked back. To be careful that it doesn't show anything bad. But stuff like this. It's mostly obviously cute enemy girls, but the idea of the game is really cool. And ever since then it just evolved, right? So essentially what you have is... you have slots where you can place your heroes. Your heroes have skills. You see that? And you have costs associated with units, but that's what you have in every game. You generate those unit points over time, and then some units have skills that generate unit points for you. You don't generate unit points by killing enemies, but by killing enemies you can gather loot. Same game? What do you mean? And so you have tanks in here that can hold enemies from reaching the exit. I had that in the beginning too. That didn't work so well, so I decided against it. I now no longer have tanks in the game that basically stop these guys from attacking. And so yeah, those ranged units for the most part are safe, but there are also flying units that only the ranged units can attack. This guy could never attack, and this guy could never attack. Melee ranged units. Yeah, and then obviously it's like a gacha game, right? You see the black border here, that is a very rare unit. The silver border obviously means these are more common. And then iron border, you don't use those. Like this is an iron border. Usually you don't use those iron borders. And the cool thing about the game is you can see down here, the heroes can level permanently. So let's say you beat a map. In the very beginning, this map was very difficult, but you come back later with much more powerful units, you can just smash that map. And so the cool thing about the game is that you can level up your units permanently, which is what I had in the beginning too. However, it didn't really work out so well, the permanent leveling. I think I even have this now on my Steam page. I might even have it on my Steam page right now. Yeah, you see that? Level 6, level 7, level 7. Level complete. Items. Yeah, and you see this? Like this guy's being attacked by those round dudes. So you wanted to rip this game and decided just get rid of half the features and the enemy girls, what is left? His game has superior gameplay. No, my game just evolved over time into something that makes more sense now. I took a look at Plants vs. Zombies, for example, right? That inspired me a lot. And Bloons inspired me a lot. And so I had all of this too, you know? I had basically exactly the same thing. However, it didn't make much sense. Unfortunately, it didn't work out very well. If I were to make the game over, I would probably just do exactly the same. Exactly the same. Because the reason why this works is because why did it not work for me? It did not work for me because the leveling was done differently than it is done in this game. In this game, you can only level up if you kill units and then they drop units. And those units, right, for example, this iron dude right here can be used to fuse into this lady and make her level up, right? This guy fused into her would probably give her like 2 or 3 levels. So she would turn from 30 to, let's say, 37 to 40. Right now she's level 40. And so what you would do is you farm those maps over and over again to get those units. That is a farming game. And the reason why this game works, or the reason why you want to farm in this game, is obviously because you want to see the sex scenes, right? So in this case, it works. But for my case, where I don't have any of the hentai stuff, because I really like the idea of this tower defense, not the hentai stuff, that doesn't make any sense, right? So I had to find a different incentive to play. And just farming for the sake of farming is boring, right? iLordix, a player that played my game for a long time, like this version here, he had a level 200 archer. But what for, right? So I had to switch up the gameplay in a way that it makes sense. I can still level up, but not affect the gameplay too much, right? And so that is what I'm working on right now. And so I'm more leaning towards balloons and especially Plants vs. Zombies in that case. So yeah, that's basically how it evolved over time, man. Like the very first version of this game was done after like, I don't know, a couple of months already. That wasn't difficult to do. It just didn't make sense if I didn't have all of the features that this game had, right? And so this is also where the healing came into play. This guy right here is a healer. And so if you are tanking units, you need to be healed. She's like half HP here, right? So yeah, that's basically the story. May I ask how your wish lists are going? The number is increasing? Yeah, but by nothing. Like 300, 400 wish lists. It's nothing. I'm not advertising it. Like this game looks completely different from what I have. I decided for myself that I will update and flesh out the game and then just put it up there. I focus right now, I'm not focusing on any numbers. I'm just focusing on making the best game I can. That's the most important thing to me. If by the end of the day, people don't like it, but I enjoy my game and I'm proud of it, that is a win for me. I'm way past the point where I have to make it work. You know, I have 2 side jobs now. YouTube is starting to pick up, you know, whatever, right? We'll make it work one way or another, right? So it doesn't really matter to me. Obviously, I want to sell my game and, you know, have it be successful. But other than making a very good game and then trying to market in a way that makes sense, I can't do much more. At the end of the day, the game needs to appeal to a broad audience enough so that it is successful enough. If it doesn't, then it just doesn't, right? Seen Coach Rod games, his game is more awesome. No offense, you just like that more. Yeah, I think his game is awesome. True, yeah. I know Coach Rod games. Yeah. Pick it up, boys. Game dev, aspirations dead. Now React content any. What are you talking about? That's not true. What am I doing right now? I'm working on the game. We just implemented another ability, the Deadly Ignition, which, by the way, needs to be swapped around. Actually. Let me check really quickly. If the node is a yeah, display description if hot. If the button ID is hot, display the description. Node allocated. If it's ability minus level can be deallocated. Save game stats. Let me find that really quickly. Editor specific. It's further down. No, must be here then. Key pressed right. Wait. Draw line. Draw connections. Draw line. Wait a minute. I'm going through all of the nodes somewhere. Key released right mouse. Editor specific. Skill tree edit state. No. I'm trying to find the place where I draw the nodes. Over here, I think. Do a button. Node data.animation index. Okay. Alright. Oh wait. It needs to be hot. It's here. If the button ID is hot. Which it's not. Stop it. It's gotta be like this. No, fuck. Fine. We'll do it like this. F9. Okay, so this button ID is hot. Let me take a look at the node. Which animation index do you have? Level allocated. Is it? Do button. Node data. Aha, animation index 1. That's what I wanted to know. So it looks like it has the greens first and then the normals after. Literally, you just said you don't care about the final product being well received since your YouTube is picking up. What I'm saying is, you're like taking half the words I say and then putting it into what you want to hear. Cringe, bro. What I said is, I'm trying to make the best game I can, and if it is not well received, then there's not much more I can do, right? I can't magically make someone like my game if I'm already doing the best I can to make the best game, okay? I'm not gonna spend 10 years on making this one game. I'm gonna move on and make a new game and continue doing that, okay, brother? All I'm saying is, if this one game that I'm doing right now doesn't work out, I'm not gonna die and leave and say, fuck it, pack it up, boys, that's it. Guess that was my try, boys. See you next time, right? No. True, you might end up being not lucky. Exactly. True. Now, what was I doing? I got so triggered, man. What was I doing? Ah, yeah. Those need to be swapped. I need to swap those around. Fuck you. Dude. Yeah. That's the only thing I said, you know, bro. And it makes sense, you know. If you try your best and it doesn't work out, that doesn't mean that you should stop, right? It just meant that maybe something out of your control happened, right? You still learned a lot. I'm not gonna sit there and then complain and cry. Obviously, I will be sad. Everyone would be, right? Because you spent like multiple years of your life on something. You put every single drop of energy you have into it. And then people are just like, nah, bruh, your game is dog, right? That's dog shit. I don't care. You don't provide any... Fuck. You don't provide any value to me. Go eat a dick. Right? Obviously, you get sad about that. But at the end of the day, if I tried every single thing, right? And then, you know, I listened to the feedback. I tried changing the game. Nothing works. Maybe it's just not the type of game that people want to play. That's it. Right? So I will move on. What I'm saying is, I'm not gonna be disappearing because I put all of my eggs into this one game basket, right? I have a YouTube that's picking up, I have a job, 2 jobs actually on the side, I'm streaming, you know, I'll be around, that's what I'm saying, okay? Like, I'm just making sure that I can be around, essentially. That's the important part, right? Because you can't really tell if something will be successful beforehand. Maybe you can, like AAA games can, right? Where they make the same dogshit game over and over and over again until it works, right? Because it works, not until it works. But I'm not doing that, right? I'm doing something that is not done, that has not been done before, right? So we don't know if it works. Safe. Good, now it's correct. Really pissed me off. Just add an FPS battle royale, then it will be good. No, I won't. I will make the game that I want to play, and that's it. Cool. Awesome. Guys, it's time. It is time! Yeah! You know what it is! Boss time. Oh, I just can't wait! God, I love this game so much. We are going to play Dark Souls now. We just got to an awesome boss. And I can't wait to play. Apparently that boss is supposed to be really, really difficult. Why do you keep on spinning? What is going on there? And by the way, the Wear Dusk Crown Ring, this dog shit thing at the bottom here is / you got lucky. There we go. So, because I'm turning this dog shit option into I got lucky now. This is a Wheel of Fortune. It's gotta have some boons, right? Some boobies. It is time, guys. It is time. Where is Dark Souls? I'm already too addicted. I need to go back to it. Hello, wait, Cheer Wizard. Long time no see, bro. How's it going? Makes sense to make it less challenging for you? Thank you. My wife just closed the door. It is time, guys. It is time. I'm maximally focused, right? Focus level is over 9,000. I need to quickly get a text. Guys, what are the bosses called? Does anyone have the name of the bosses that we are fighting now? Do you guys remember the names of those two? How are they called? I need to know. What are the names? Ormstrel, yeah. Thank you. Ormstrel and Smaug. Damn, Ornstein. Yeah? Ja, was? Warte. My wife needs my help really quickly. Give me a second. Ja. Shut up! Fucking bitch. Okay, give me a second. She moved the hot sauce again. Every day she puts the stuff away. Guys, do I look washed out? Shit. Fuck. Totally washed out? No. Holla, hello there, Fluffy. I think I'm good. You look tired, kinda? How? I'm not. Aloha. Yup, washed up gamer. Wait, what is that? What are these channel point predictions? What are you doing? Guys, I will win today, okay? I'm not gonna rage quit. Dev counter. Fuck it. You know, I'm just gonna do it like this. It's fine. I think it's good enough. It's fine like this, bro. Don't worry about it too much. Don't get discouraged. What are you gonna look like? They play Dark Souls while coding in C++. That's what you're gonna look like. Fine. It is. Oh! Holy shit. Relax. It's time! What are they called? Smoke is going down today. We don't have any debuffs? It's time. I'm thinking maybe I should use my big club. However, the big club only has 15 more damage. And the raw club is 23. I can wait. I can wear heavier armor. Maybe a helmet. Wait a minute. 26. We can go up until 27. Night helm. I don't think this works, right? Wait. Yeah, this is fast rolling. We want to fast roll. We can go until 27, I think, or 24. Right? Why is it red? Why is it displayed in red? What is that? Big clap. Fuck, man. We calculated that yesterday. Maybe that? This doesn't do anything, bro. 27, 1.5. Can't we go until 24? Fuck, man. I guess I can't. Lol, any item I equip is... Okay, anyways, we're gonna do fast rolling because the game is going to be fast. Quickly add that in. There we go. Big clap, red equals lower, high. Red equals lower or higher can actually wear stuff. I don't remember. Alright, so we have to use this elevator every single time we get to the boss, and then we need to make a run past 4 enemies before we can get to the boss. And those enemies really pack a punch. At least we killed this gargoyle. I have seen a streamer, actually, now I remember, do this part, and the gargoyle was still alive. I don't know why they decided not to kill the gargoyle. Maybe he was rushing this. But yeah. So there's the boss right there, and there's 2 dudes blocking our way. Maybe speedrunner? No, it wasn't a speedrunner. The streamer was continuously dying. And as far as I remember, it was Emiru, and Asmongold was making fun of her for dying all the time. I don't know why she didn't kill the gargoyles. Fucking up! Alright, it is time. We have relaxed. We have slept. It's boss time. We need to focus up. Shit. Can't see. Lol, there's the shield guys out there. Lol. Oh, I didn't see him fast enough. His boobs really put me on edge, bro. They distract. Those floppy boobs. Come on, bro. Fuck, yeah. We have to bide our time. We already have 1 hit on the guy. Bide our time. He's gonna come after us. 100%. Now he is. He's flying. Oh, he stopped. I hate that when the camera like moves. Maybe I need to like stop. Maybe I need to move my camera manually. Hey, attack you, Dumbo! Awesome. Look at the deeps. There he is. Hey, what is this? Super Saiyajin. Hey. Shh, relax. This guy is running. Wow, he can jump, man. I jumped! Bro, I saw this! Okay, relax. These guys are a bit too fast. I dodged. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. That's okay. I'm gonna use the pillar as... Yeah? I dodged. But okay, fine. I dodged, man! Oh, God! I'm gonna get this guy. I'm gonna get this guy. Come on! Oh yeah! Shit! Fuck! Oh! They were so close! Dude! Does Cakez know he also needs to attack them? Ah, come on, bro. That was a good try. You know that. That was an actual good try. This boss is going down today! Ha 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 ha! Not even hard! Shit. Ah, fuck. Okay, inverted controls. That's fine. What a clown show. Listen, man, you're just mad that I got this guy down almost in my, like, what is it? Like my 5th try? I got the one guy down. And if one guy is down, then the other guy is going to be easy. Are you fighting or running from them? I'm waiting on the perfect opportunity to strike. Now, I can understand that you're mad because you have a number 2 next to your name, which means you voted against me. Now, I don't know what the prediction is, but I can promise you that this boss is going down before the prediction ends. So you will lose. You will lose your points. It's your own fault. And Gunus Nymphicus, you should have been trusty. You should have supported me. How do you say that in English? You should have... How do you fucking say that in English? I hate that, man. Fuck, man. How do you say that? You should have believed. It's your own fault. You're literally wasting your Estus flasks? No, I'm learning the fight, you dumbo. Okay. You let me down yesterday. I won't do the same mistake ever again. Faith? Yeah, you should have had faith in me. Exactly. You should believe. You should have believed. But now it's too late, bro. It's too late. You see that dodge? Godlike. I just jumped over their attacks. Okay. That's some bullshit. That's some bullshit. I can't see. Like, inverted controls fucking suck, bro. Fuck! That was a bad try because of inverted controls, okay? That was absolutely dumb. Yeah, like, I looked to the left instead of to the right. It's fine. Don't collect. Dude, this takes way too long. Fine. Where's the settings here? Where's the settings? Dude. Where is the settings? I remember there be... Spinning speed level. Spinning duration. Let's do like 5. Whatever that means. Save. Alright, so it is switch weapon. Obviously we're going to use... get rid of these inverted controls. We're going to use our trusty big club. The big one. I wonder if I can stun them, right? I just club them both. If I have the big club, then we also have to change some equipment. It is 12, so we are now at 32. I probably... yeah, I have to exchange some items here. Fuck, man. How about this? 27 is too much. Fuck, man. I can't do anything. I will take too much damage with all of this stuff. But okay, we'll use this. Yeah. It's important that we have fast roll for this fight. I think it's easier to dodge and we can correct mistakes easier that way. Fuck, man, I pressed the wrong button. Clown, what do you mean? What is the prediction about? Guys, can someone tell me what the prediction is supposed to do? Okay. Also, I accidentally... oh, I had like one flask here, but I got like cornered in that fight last time. Cakes, you should sell merch with your game characters on it. Yeah, maybe in the future. We'll see. 220 deaths for the boss? 200 plus deaths? Yeah? Just 1 second. Well, we have a small little problem on our hands. We need to fix that. So, guys, the situation is as follows. My wife's sister... my wife is pregnant, but my wife's sister had a baby 9 months ago. And the baby right now is really sick. And so she asked if my wife could come over there to help. And so I'm going to have to transport her in a second. There. We made out before the stream, we talked about it, we made it so that I can stream and then after the stream I bring her there, but it looks like the situation isn't very good. So essentially what I will do, since I really want to kill those bosses today, fuck! Show! I will just have to take a break and then leave the stream on. You guys can, I don't know, watch someone smash. Ha! You little bitch! Boom! Hiya! Sorry. I just got too excited. Hey, shit. Shit, I missed. I was out of range. Bro. Fuck, I'm too slow with this every time. He's gonna come. He's gonna come. He's gonna come here. Come on. Come on! There he is. He's charging. Shit. I'm too fast this time. Oh. Ooh. How many attempts on this boss so far? 4, 5, 6, something like that. Not many. We'll get him down. So yeah, unfortunately, guys, I will have to like I will have to take a small break, but I will leave the stream on, okay? I'm very sorry about this. Very sorry, guys. Boom. Shit, he interrupts me. Nice! I stunned this piece of shit! He hits him to the right, lol. Lol. This is my time. Yeah! Oh my god, I'm so fucking good in this game! Shit, something fell down. Yes! Boom! Okay. Holy shit. Holy shit. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh no. Hey! No! My controller! This guy's fat. Yes! What? What is this boss, bro? No! I choked! I choked! Oh! Oh, man! I choked! Fuck. That was so easy! Fuck, man. I think you can get one more try. Fuck! That was so good! This boss easy. No armor? I mean, I'm practically wearing no armor already. No poise anymore. Your game is glitched. The boss is not using all of his attacks. Ja, genau. Okay, bro.
The boss is the game's glitched, bro. You're too good at the game.
You love, you lose. Man, that was so close. I had this in the bag. This guy was doing nothing to me. I just choked at the end. I wanted to heal, but I should have just kept on going on his ass. You're cheating, Cakes. He lowered the difficulty by editing the files of string. Okay, so yeah, maybe he didn't use his Kamehameha wave or something. Listen, man, it's all by chance, okay? Maybe there is some more difficult stuff from the game, but the first phase is literally the first phase. I think I've seen all of the attacks there. I don't think that there is more in the first phase. Absolutely not. No, I don't believe that. At 200 devs, they make the game easier. Oh, yeah, sure. Like they track this internally. Of course, bro. Yeah. Dark Souls Remastered Junior Edition. Look at these mad people. You know that I'm good. You know that. Leave me alone. Holy shit. This time we won't take damage when we run to the boss. God, I'm so fast, bro. Look at that. Bling. Just gotta dodge this guy. Got it. Got it. You literally suck and choke. Shut up. This can happen to the best. Okay, relax. Stop jumping, man. Shit. Fuck. Of course. Shit. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Shit, I knew this was gonna happen. I shouldn't have done this. Shit, am I dead? Fuck. God damn it, bro. Never trust a game developer with C++ mad skills. God damn it. Shit. Switch to keyboard. Bro. Switch to keyboard, fine. I'm gonna be worse at keyboard. Cakes, you know that hitting the enemy is essential part of defeating the... Okay, bro, you're trying to make fun of me now. Okay. 206 more devs until points. I think you guys should have given me more options. I didn't have a... I had this armor. I had these things and... It didn't save the location of my legs, but it was... Wait, how do I toggle? R? 23. Is 25 working? Can I dodge roll with this? No. Options. So this one doesn't work, unfortunately. Holy trousers. Maybe that works. Let's see. No. I really can only wear these 1.4s. Looks like. Yeah. Okay, fine. We'll wear this now. Yeah, go to the drop off. You're not close to killing the boss. I think I am. Maybe not with mouse and keyboard. I'm not really good with that. So F is double-handed, E is using. How do I lock again? Was it the middle mouse? I think it's the middle mouse. Yeah. Let me run here. Q or middle mouse? Thank you. So Q is lock on as well. Listen to Amida, bro. Go bring your wifey. She comes over. She tells me when she's ready. She is currently getting ready to be brought over, bro. Family first, dude. Being a clown comes second. Shut the fuck up. I'm not a clown. Okay. And yes, I will bring her when she's ready. But she's not ready yet, so... Hey, my man. Thank you very much for following, bro. And yes, guys, find a good video to watch. Find a good video to watch. E, right? Yes, E. Move. Holy shit, this guy attacked immediately.
Oh my god, this dodge is so fucking good!
Shit. I dodged! Lol, I dodged. Oh.
Lol, he fat pumped me! He used his ass bomb.
Shit. Lol. Shit. God, I'm so good at this game, man. We can get to phase 2 again. Shit! Yes! This is the easy part! God, I'm so good! And this is with mouse and control, mouse and keyboard. Focus him. All right. See now. See how it is. I see. Oh wow. I see now. That is the other attack, I guess. Man, I can't lock on. Like, it's so difficult to do this with mouse and keyboard. Like, I need to go behind him. Now. Shit. I jumped right into his attack, of course. Okay. I jumped! I jumped, but okay, fine. Shit. Dude, it's so difficult to get behind him with mouse and keyboard. I jumped. Nein. Alles gut. Fuck. I hate the controls. I want to do a small attack, not a, like, fast. Huh? No, I had him. I got it. I'm so good with mouse and keyboard. Oh my god!
I won the prediction, you fucking noobs!
Easy points. Recover last 50,000. Oh. God, I'm shaking, man. You see that? You see my hands? I was shaking, bro, the entire time. I did it, bro. Me too. Only like 6, 7 attempts. Feet. Oh, hello. Wow, those boobies. Damn. Hello there. Wait, something just opened. Wait, huh? Hello? I earned myself the controller back. Large chest ahead. I earned myself the controller back. Wait, is there loot? Is there nothing else in this room? No loot? Nothing? I didn't check. Oh, there's two? Wait, there's two things. Two ways. God, man, that was difficult. Ooh, goodness. Guys, just out of curiosity, how many tries do people usually need on this boss? I want to know. How many tries? Did I do a good job? 3, 2, ja, klar. I love how last time everyone was like, oh, bonfire, nice. Everyone was like, oh, here we go. 3 marks, me, 0. Okay, so you never tried the game, right? That's why it's 0. 4 or 5 when they are bad. Why don't I believe you guys? You're just mad. It's crazy how mad you guys get. Now, can I get some real answer? 17. Fluffy, is that just a, like... It depends on how strong they are when they get there. Am I strong? Is my character strong? Wait, that's literally the same elevator. Why 2? What is this? I did it. Yeah, me too. Bro? 17 if they get help of some guy. It was one of the gatekeepers when Dark Souls came out, honestly. Wait, really? Try holding with both hands. What? Amazing chest ahead. Oh, guys, we get to enjoy an amazing chest. Let's see. Hello!
Thou hast journeyed far.
Damn.
And overcome much, chosen undead. Come hither, child.
Those are some big rewards.
O chosen undead, I am Guinevere, daughter of Lord Gwyn and Queen of
You're
Sunlight.
huge.
Since the day Father his form did obscureth, I have awaited thee. I bequeath the Lord vessel to thee.
Can I get some other rewards?
Beseech thee. Succeed Lord Gwyn, and inheriteth the fire of our world. Thou shalt endeth this eternal twilight, and avert further undead sacrifices.
Hit her boobs will jiggle.
O chosen undead.
Chosen
thou
undead?
hast journeyed far.
Yeah. Enter talk.
Since the day Father his form did obscureth, I have awaited thee, once living, now undead, and a fitting heir to Father Gwyn thou art. O chosen undead, and beseech thee. Succeed Lord Gwyn, and inheriteth the fire of our world. A grave and arduous test of metal, yea.
Did anyone listen to the story?
Indeed, we had felt the warmth of fire, its radiance and the
I can
light
feel
that
warmth right
sustains.
now, yeah.
Without fire, all shall be a frigid and frightful dark.
She's talking? Apparently, yeah.
Now thou shalt go forth, chosen undead.
Dude, run. I can't jump up to her. Hello? Those look heavy. Do you want me to hold? You know, it's gotta, like, I want to ease your back pain. Come on. Just swing. I'm not swinging, bro. I'm not going to destroy my save game by swinging at her boobs. Absolutely not. What is wrong with you? I still don't have a... Wait, level up. Guys, we know what it is. Endurance. Maximum endurance. We need more defense. She is big. She won't die. I will not swing at her. No Dark Londo timeline. Wait. Wait. That's it? Wait. Huh? What now? Wait, I got an item. Browse use item. I don't think it's here. Soul of Quilac. Acquire many souls or create a unique weapon. Acquire many souls. I wonder how I can use those souls. I have a humanity, but only one. What did I even get? I forgot. Wait, Lord Vessel. Soul vessels granted to the chosen undead. Wait! I can open up the gates now. I can... Yes. You know what we can do now, right? Wait, that's it? There's nothing more? Man, those are some amazing rewards you gave me. But, you know, can I take those two with me as well? Just for comfort. God damn it. Like, there's nothing else? What is your covenant, by the way?
Chosen undead, thou hast journeyed far.
Okay, can I skip this somehow? Enter covenant. Covenant. Join yeah, but which covenant? Fine. Do I get boobies now? What? A ring?
Hereafter, if thou so need, may thou...
Lol, I didn't know that.
Go forth, chosen undead. May thou...
Wait, what is this item that we got? I forgot the name already. Fuck, man. It was here. Sun Priestess boosts miracle energy synergy. The ring granted to those who enter the covenant with Gwyn Veer, daughter of Lord Gwyn and the Princess of Sunlight. The slightly warm ring boosts the synergy of miracles. The Priestess of Sunlight Gwynveer left under Londo along with many other deities and later became wife to flame god Flan. We need to kill this Flan guy, then she's a widow. Then we can have her all for ourselves. Okay, where do we go now? Was this it? Did I do everything in New Londo? Or in Andor Londo? Are we done now? That's it? Boss down? You did not make her jiggle? I'm not going to do that, bro. She will not jiggle, she will attack me. Okay, I guess we go down then. You coming up? You missed the jiggle animation. Guys, I will not hit her. Cakes, I'm starting Dark Souls 2. What are your tips? My tips is don't look up any guides. Don't look up any tutorials on the internet. Play the game and enjoy every second of it. Don't play too long. Give yourself time to rest between plays so you learn the game while you sleep. Because it is quite difficult, right? And most important of all, take your time. Explore. Just explore, bro. It's the best game ever. I don't know if Dark Souls 2 is better than 1. I have not played it. But it's No, what do you mean? You need to jiggle her to open the final path? You missed loot in the broken window, I believe. Wait, there was a broken window. Yeah, wait. Shh. We're going to smash this guy. Watch. He's going to fall down. They don't fall down, but... Watch. Hiya! Lol? What is he doing? LOL! Uh-oh. This guy is harder than the boss. Boom. How much? How many souls? 3,000 souls? Dude. Yeah, there was something up here. Was it here, actually? We could go out somewhere, yeah. Thank you for reminding me. I totally forgot that. Oh yeah, here. Maybe there is another path. What was here? There's something here? No, this just goes down, right? Oh, excuse me. Wait, let me explore this really quickly. Just want to make sure that I didn't miss anything. Because there seems to be... No, actually there's nothing. Is there nothing? No, there's not. Cakez forgot about his wife? No, she just somehow seems to take more time to get ready. Not sure. But she is definitely getting ready. She would have said something. Right? If she couldn't move or something, then she would have called me. She didn't call me. So nope. Oh wow, cool. Hello. Oh, this is a parkour, I see. Damn, awesome. I love this game, you know. All of these hidden items. This is what games need more. Those hidden, optional items. LOL, Dragon Slayer Great Bow? What is this? Jumping off. Well, should I jump off? Well, I guess that's the only location to jump off, right? And we can... It worked! This thing is ridiculously too big. What if she couldn't call? I'm gonna check on her then. I hate these guys. Okay, blacksmith time. Maybe now. Hello?
Forge I can.
Yes, sir. No, she's here. Fertig? Okay, guys. She is ready. Reinforced weapon. There's nothing to increase my stuff, right? We can increase my stuff, no. Nope. Okay, let's see. How long have I been going for? Is it 3 hours? Did we take like 3 hours so far? Almost. Okay, well, what do we do? Stream done since you killed the boss? Question mark? Make his boobs jiggle? No. Maybe stream done. Maybe we'll see, man. Like it's going to take me an hour to get back, guys. I will be AFK for an entire hour. You know, that's how long it takes, because I have to drive through the city and then back, and I have to do 2 stops. Guys, it makes no sense. Like I would literally be AFK for an hour. Yeah. I don't think it makes much sense. We made good progress, and then I guess tomorrow we figure out... I'm not here tomorrow, right? Let me double check. Is there someone in Dark Souls category? This guy is not English. First playthrough. 10 Stunden Marathon. That is a German guy. Fine. Guys, I'll send you over to Togglepit. He's online. He's doing stuff. Yeah, I'm sorry, guys. Yeah. Jokes on you. I already lost them all yesterday. I won all points. Yeah, anyways, I really appreciate the support nonetheless, guys. Thank you so much for joining and watching. Sorry for the short stream. It is more important that the kid gets healthy, you know, stays healthy. And she takes care of it. We'll continue Dark Souls and the game development on Monday, okay? I'll see you all there, and I hope you guys have a great weekend. I really appreciate the big support, Mr. Amida. I think you deserve like a crazy shout out. You gifted way too many subs. I thank you so much, man. You're way too generous. But anyone who's supporting and watching, right? I'll see you all. Inukai, my man. Even you. Even you. Take care, guys. You have a great time. Have a great weekend. Maybe I'll be able to stream on Sunday, but probably not. We just get back on Sunday. It's gonna be a long one. What about me? You too. Okay, Argentul, sir. Goodbye, guys. Even Inukai's grandma. Yeah, what do you mean me? Fight me, bozo? Bye-bye. And Inukai. And YouTube, guys. See you as well. Peace. You have a great day. Thank you so much.